11. You are coming into a place of understanding that you cannot change or fix anyone. The only thing you can offer to another person is your own state of being. When you are clear yourself from doing inner work and healing, you allow others to see themselves more clearly. It shows them where they have work to do on themselves, and you lead by being the example yourself. You are not forcing people to change because you realize that they are being exactly who they are supposed to be. The people around you will either rise with you or fall out of your life. Be okay with losing some people as you evolve and grow, because not everyone is ready for transformation. Everything is happening in divine order. You just have to go with the flow and trust the universe. But our ego is so impatient. It wants to control everything and force things to happen. As a result, we are constantly living in a state of stress and anxiety, and our higher self is patient. It knows that we are right where we are supposed to be. So let go of control and surrender to the flow of the universe. Type Amen if you believe in God, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.